Hey, Andy, did you know that a lot of people have the wrong idea about bats?
Oh, I know all about bats. They're the masters of the night, flying rodents that suck people's blood. They're blind and they are scary.
I think you've been watching too many movies about vampires, brother. Bats are definitely masters of the night, but none of the rest of it is true.
I knew that.
Oh yeah, sure you did, Andy. Anyway, meet Dr. Paul, bat expert extraordinaire.
A lot of people think that bats are mice with wings or flying rodents, but actually they're not rodents at all. Bats are in their own group, the only group of mammals that are capable of true powered flight. All bats have eyes, all bats can see, and in fact some bats use only their eyes to find food, to find places to live, and for navigating in the world.
And they're cute and cuddly.
But if they only come out at night, how do they see in the dark?
In bats, you see a very sophisticated form of biosonar or echolocation, where the animal sends out a sound and then listens to reflected echoes of that same sound in order for it to perceive its environment and to form images of its surroundings in its brain.
Whoa, that's amazing. They see by sound. But why would they want to come out in the dark?
Bats have chosen to come out at night, probably because they reduce competition with birds. So the birds sort of rule the day and catch insects during the day, and bats rule the night and catch insects during the night. And they do an incredible job of insect control.
Andy, if it weren't for bats, we would have a serious insect problem on our hands.
But what about vampire bats? Don't they drink blood?
There are 3 species of bats that are vampire bats that live exclusively on the blood of other animals. That's only 3 species out of 1,000 worldwide, but these 3 species get a lot of attention compared to the other bats. Now, they don't suck blood, they don't have hollow fangs, they have razor-sharp incisor teeth that they can make quick cut onto the cow or a goat. They also have infrared detectors in their nose that helps them tell where the blood is flowing closest to the surface, so they can make the most painless strike for the host animal, and then they lap up the blood with their tongue. They basically drink the blood just like you and I would drink water.
Phew. So most bats don't drink blood, and none of them attack humans. That's a relief.
You said it, Andy.
Bats are pretty cool. I wonder what you would feed them.
Well, in captivity, we can feed them a variety of insects. So one of the more common food items is to feed them beetle larvae, which are known as mealworms. They prefer to eat live prey item, a live insect.
So what do you think about bats now, Andy?
Definitely my most favorite creature of the night.